I don't need this. I'm a pro. And we got some new hair. Y'all. Hi guys, it's Naya. My hair came. I know that y'all are tired of seeing this green hair, so am I. I'm so sorry. Like, it's time to throw it out, and we got some new hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we're just gonna get right into this video and open it. Okay, first, so let me just tell you guys where I got this hair from and where I get all my hair from. Everybody is always asking me. I get my hair from Ali Grace on AliExpress. I do not get hair from anywhere else, and if I do, you have to be an amazing hair brand. Just a really quick backstory, Ali Grace has amazing hair. The hair that I've had lasted me for about 3 years. No lie. 3 years. And you know, I don't buy hair unless I really have to. And I really had to this time, but I bought some new hair. I ordered it literally 2 days ago. I ordered it the day before yesterday. It wasn't supposed to come until they said December 12th. But by the grace of Ali Grace, it came. It got delivered by FedEx. Usually it comes from this other hair brand, but whatever. What does it come with? Y'all. Hold up. Oh my god. Hold on. No, these are really cute. First of all, let's just get into these lashes real quick. Let's just get into them. Y'all, I have a real lash problem, but we're not here to talk about that right now. But these, it comes with lashes. Yes, Ali Grace, I'm already happy, actually. It comes with this little thing. I don't need this. I'm a pro. It comes in packages like this. This is how it comes. I'm so amazed right now. So I got one bundle of 22, and I got 2 bundles of 20. And frontal is 18. Even though it didn't come in a box, can I still call this an unboxing? Because, like, what am I going to say? Like, unpackaging the Ali Grace? Unpackaging? I don't know. Honestly, it smells like hair. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm in love already. Like, once I saw the lashes, it was clear. This is the 20-inch. Whoa. Look how bouncy. What's that? Accordion? Accordion, right? That's what this reminds me of. Hold up. Look how thick it is at the end, though. Are y'all here for it? Because I'm here for it. This is how I'm gonna have it. I'm here for it. Let's see. I almost don't even want to run my fingers through it. Shedding. Can y'all see that? Y'all probably can't even see that. Whatever. Like, 2 strands came out though. Very bouncy. It feels so soft. And I got the Brazilian deep wave. Ali Grace. We did it again. You know what I find really weird? I would do a frontal like anytime, but I would not do a closure. I like refuse to do closures, and I don't know why, because they are cheaper. This is the 22. I don't know why, but it looks thinner than this one. Am I bugging y'all? It looks thinner. Maybe if I run my fingers through it. Let me see if I can hear that. ASMR. But, oh my gosh, I'm living for it. Why does this look thinner? It looks thinner. We're gonna get into this frontal. Off rip, I'm noticing this is a deeper curl. So the bundles have a deeper curl than the I'm not bugging, right? It has a deeper curl. See, look. The one thing I do like appreciate about this frontal is the curls start all the way at the top. And that's what I appreciate. The curls start all the way up here because I don't know, like when you buy hair from other brands, the frontal, the curl will not start until like the middle. It will not start until, so it will be straight and then it gets wavy. Like I don't understand why it does that, but that's why I appreciate Ali Grace, feel me, because the curls start at the very top. I wish I had like a better camera or something, but I hope y'all can see that. It starts at the top, and that's what I appreciate. Look at this parting. Let's get into the parting spaces, cause I can't wait. Excuse me. First of all, it already comes with baby hairs, and that makes everything 10 times easier for me. And the hairline does not look crazy. Can we see that? Y'all probably can't. I wish y'all could though. Whatever. No, this is amazing. Ali Grace, you did it again. Like, you did it again. I'm talking to you, Ali Grace. You did it again. So, basically, the only thing I didn't like throughout this whole video is that the frontal has a looser curl than the bundles. Honestly, I don't think it's that big of a deal, though, because hopefully when it's beside each other, you won't notice. Yeah, you can't even tell. But we're just going to see how it goes when it's wet because the curls are going to drop, and we're just going to see how that goes, so... I'm excited. It came with lashes. Like, it came with lashes, and y'all know how I feel about lashes. Lashes and them goes like, I know how they are. So I got 3 bundles and a closure for, no, what am I? I'm lying to you. I'm so sorry. I got 3 bundles and a frontal for $206. Just a quick tip, if you have the Ali Grace app and you order in the app, it's cheaper than it is online. Okay? Just download the app, okay? Customer service is amazing, you guys. Amazing. Like, they text you, hi, is everything, is the address okay, you know, this and the third. Like, the customer service is amazing. If you have a problem, they will fix your problem. And I didn't have a problem with this hair at all because, like I said, it came in 2 days. But if I had any problem with shipping or anything, they would definitely, like, yo, Ali Grace is thebomb.com. I want to talk about taking care of curly hair for a second, because a lot of people take care of curly hair like how they take care of straight hair, and it is not the same, because curly hair, it's curly, so possibility of it getting matted quicker. So when you wash your hair, do not, you know what I'm saying, like, it's not on your head, so there's no need to go like this to it. Just gently start from the bottom and just rise up. Like, that's literally all you have to do. You don't have to do all that extraness, okay? To keep the curl pattern after you do wash it, just let it air dry. Just get the curl, because the curls will naturally come together and just wave. So just let it air dry. If you do too much touching to the hair while it's drying, it's gonna get frizzy, and again, you're gonna think that the hair company is bad when, you know. Say that your hair does get tangled along the way, all you have to do is follow my steps to the reviving your wig, and I'm gonna leave, it's my video, by the way, a little self promo, and I'm gonna leave that video in the description box. So if your hair ever gets matted or whatever and it's bad and it's, you know, just follow those steps. Link is down below. Apply some conditioner to the hair at night, wrap it up, twist it, do whatever you want, and just put a bonnet on. Please do not sleep on your head. Please do not sleep on your hair, because you're going to wake up and it's going to be frizzy and it's going to be dry, and it's not going to be a good look, honestly, please. So just wear a bonnet if you can. Apply some oil to it if you can, just a little bit, or some conditioner or whatever. I won't even give it 5 stars because that's not enough. I'm giving it a 10. This hair is exactly how it's described. It is so soft and bouncy. Like, I'm in love. And it comes, y'all, it comes with lashes. Like, how do you go wrong with giving someone lashes and hair? Lashes and hair, y'all. Like, the frontal is beautiful, and I really do appreciate the fact that there's no fillers. There are no fillers. You know how frontals, especially if you buy them straight, there's fillers. Am I dark? Can y'all see me though? You know how usually there's fillers, right? There are no fillers, and it comes with baby hairs, and I'm just so happy about it, and I cannot wait. Like, 10 stars for this. Communication and customer service, they're absolutely amazing. They really do update you on your package. Also, FedEx does as well, or whoever's delivering your package, especially if you have the app, or even if they have your email, they will constantly email you. I'm too late now, I'm so sorry. They will constantly email you updates. Y'all, can we just talk about the shipping speed? Why did the package take 2 days to get here? I'm not even joking. It literally took 2 days to get here. What hair company delivers in 2 days, 2-3 days? Like a 10 for that too. So everything, 10 stars, 100 stars if I could. Ali Grace, like y'all need to cop some bundles. Cop some bundles. If you guys want to see how I construct my frontals, like this video and I'll make it happen. So if you want to see how I pluck, how I, do everything, just like this video, and I'll be sure to make that video for you guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment your comments, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye. Gorgeous. This is the frontal, and this is the bundles. Honestly, look at that. Look at the movement.